how to use reminders and calendar on iOS 18. So on iOS 18, the reminder app has been integrated in the calendar app. Let's see it right here. So I'm just going to go to calendar. And when you add a new event on the top right corner, when you click or tap on the plus icon, this will pop up. So before it was just like an event, and now there's a reminder option right here. So when you tap on that, you can now open the reminder. Here you could add the title, and of course the notes, and the date today. You could also change the date, time, and of course you could change the repeat option right there. So let's just go back. As you can see, you can set it to these options right here. And here's the list from your iCloud and stuff. And now you could go to details. You could tap on this one 5 minutes before, so it could remind you early. And of course, tags, location. And here on messaging, when you turn this on, selecting this option will show the reminder notification when chatting with a person and messages. So that's pretty convenient. You could also add an image and prioritize, and of course flag, just like so.